Bloc Bills Payments is an easy-to-use product that helps software developers embed online bill payments natively into their products. With our bills payment product, you can power electricity payment for 9 out of 11 electricity discos in Nigeria, airtime and data recharge for MTN, 9Mobile, Airtel and Glo, and cable TV subscriptions for StarTimes, DSTV and GoTV. To make a bill payment using your Bloc Dashboard, visit the Bills Payment tab of the dashboard and navigate to make a payment. Make sure your main balance is funded for this to be successful. Now, click on Make a Payment. Select your bill type depending on the type of bill you like to pay. For the purpose of this tutorial, let's make a telecommunication bill payment. Select the operator from the drop-down and choose whether it's an airtime or data payment you'd like to make. Enter the phone number of a recipient and the amount you'd like it to be credited with. Now click on Make Payment and you have just successfully made an airtime payment. If you want to view the details of this transaction, scroll down, click on the specific transaction, and you will be able to view the details of this payment and even download a PDF receipt of the transaction. We don't charge you anything for going live on our bills payment product so that you can go live as soon as possible. More interestingly, we pay you a commission for every successful transaction, and you can also charge your customers an extra processing fee. To have a look at how much commission we pay you per bill payment type, please visit our pricing page at blockhq.io/pricing. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!